me get this thing going on the road here. So, hottie, Anastasia. You got to follow her page on Instagram. Are those abs, see? Are those real lobes of doing 100 sit-ups a day, trying to get it in? I got somebody in the background with a chainsaw. They've been doing it all day. Hopefully they stop. I'm just trying to get my show on the road. Hold on. You know how much the noise irritates me. I'm always trying to focus. Hey, love, what are you up to? See, dude, I don't know what happened yesterday, but like all the women came out the woodwork. Catch you at Mima later. Yeah, you can catch me at Mima later. Oh my God. Hey, love. It's like they come out of the woodwork.